those feet fast. Keep it going. Is he moving his feet fast? Fast, 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 fast.
That's right.
Can you see him? Is he moving them fast? Is he moving his feet fast? Whose dog is that? Dog.
Yeah.
Your dog?
Yes.
Is he always
Sleeping.
sleep?
Yeah.
He woke him up. Poor dog. Oh, is he your dog?
Not my dog.
It's not your dog? What's the dog's name?
Don.
Don?
Yes. The dog's name is Don.
Oh. Does he sleep all the time?
No.
Not all the time. He's sleeping now. Is he awake at night? Yes? I see all dogs they always sleep. Poor dog, where is he going? He's gonna stretch out. Now he moved.
Very beautiful dog, okay?
He's a good dog.